I'm getting ready to show you the dopest keyword research tool on the market and how you can use it on your Android and iPhone devices. And if you want to not only build and market your brand like a boss, but learn to connect with your audience in a way that's going to have them throwing money at you like it's Friday night in Magic City, then subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell because I'm dropping new videos every single Tuesday.
Teaching you to build and market your brand like a boss.
What up, it's your girl Quiana LaChé, and I am back with another video, and I am going to be showing you this amazing keyword research tool. I've got my trusty iPhone right here, and so I'm going to go ahead and pull up the platform that we're going to be talking about, and I cannot wait to show this to you guys. So let's get into it. So in your web browser, you are going to go ahead and look for Morning Fame. Now, this keyword research tool is absolutely amazing. So when you get to the actual page itself, you're going to see that it is in fact invitation only, but no worries, your girl hooked you up. So if you go ahead and go to the description box, there is a special link that's going to grant you access to actually utilizing this tool, signing up with it. So then I'm going to go ahead and log into my account, and you're going to see quite a few things when you get to the homepage. It's absolutely amazing, right? It's going to show you your metrics, it's going to show you your analytics, but it's going to show you these things in ways that YouTube itself does not really show you. One of the things that I absolutely love is that it shows you if your channel is trending upwards. This is important and it's key for growing a successful channel. So as you can see here, it's showing me that yes, my channel itself is trending upwards. It's growing. My average watch time is growing. My accumulated watch time is growing, and my views are growing. Then right below that, right, it's going to say how much did each video contribute to your channel, and there's a button right below that that says research next video. So that's what we're going to be diving into. So we tap that, and it's going to bring us up into a whole nother page, and as you can see, it has topic, keyword, search, optimize. So the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to choose a new video topic. So I'm going to kind of play around with this, and let's say that I make vegan pizza. I don't, your girl loves meat, but I'm going to type in vegan pizza. So I'm going to choose that, and then we're going to move on to step number 2. Now, what I absolutely love about this, right, is that it's going to show you some targeted keywords based on if your channel is larger or if it's something smaller. So because my channel is actually smaller, I'm going to go ahead and choose, let's go with easy veggie recipes just to humor this. So I'm going to choose this as my common search term. I'm going to choose it for step 3. Now we're going to search and evaluate your target keyword. As you scroll down, you're going to see the ranking opportunities. This is so powerful. This is unlike any tool on the market for it to show based on my channel size, based on the engagement that my videos get, based on you know, my view velocity, my average watch time. All of these things is pulling all of that analytical data together to show me if I'm, you know, what my possibilities of ranking are. We again are going to humor this, and I'm going to choose this for step 4. Now we have to optimize our metadata. And what Morning Fame has done is they've broken down your possibilities of really being relevant with your keyword or key phrase into segments. So your title, 40% of that matters, right? Then the description, 20%, and then your tags, of course, is another 40%, which is going to all equate to 100%. Now, what's also super dope, right, is that you can actually save this. You can save all of this work and come back to it when you're ready to upload all of this into your next video. So I would just hit save, and it's saving, and now all my changes are saved, and you can actually see it right here where it says target keyword, easy veggie recipes, and it's already loaded, but if you were to come back in a different time, you're able to click it and it's gonna pull it back up. You guys, hands down, best tool ever. I have been using it. I'm like, Tubebuddy, I love you, but Google Keyword Planner, I love you, but so I want to know if you've already been using this. Let me know in the comments how you're loving it. If you're gonna try it out, let me know below. Say, I'm definitely gonna go try this. And again, do not forget that it is invitation only, so please don't forget to just click the link in the description so that way you can get access to this amazing tool. If you like this video, matter of fact, if you loved this video, then please subscribe to my channel, share it with a friend, and make sure that you give it a thumbs up. I'm going to be seeing you in the next video.